another video, back, and today I am here with an entrepreneur life video. So one of the most common questions that I always get is, all right, what size labels do you use on your actual lip gloss tubes? Some people think it's a custom sticker. Some people think it's custom like labeling, printing on there. First of all, custom printing for like the tubes that I have, oh my god, it's like so much right now. One day, but for now, in order to make it still look cute, still look professional, stickers are always a go-to. But when using your stickers, you kind of want to make sure that they're transparent and like the clear film, because it just looks better. And it's kind of like a mock actual print on the tube. So you want it to look as chic and, professional and everything as close as possible, because you don't want a nice little, nice logo name and everything like that. And then the background of the stickers and everything, it just doesn't look good on the actual tubes. So today I'm finally gonna go like pretty much in depth on how to actually go about printing these labels out yourself at home. We're not really printing them out at home, but like, making your own labels and everything like that, and then them getting shipped to you, and like the shipments and everything like that. So I'll get into all of that towards the end of the video. But first of all, I just want to say, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those post notification bells. And if you're new to my channel, hey babes. If you're back, I love you. Thank you so much. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, babe. So first of all, you want to go to avery.com, like, of course, because I'm trying to get you guys exactly to what I use. Or maybe I should show you guys first, like, the different, shapes and everything. So they got like the rectangle, round, oval, square, everything, like stars. They just have everything you need. They have like white labels, clear labels, the whole nine. So now, since I pretty much know the dimensions and everything on my labels, I'm just gonna cut to the chase, take y'all right there. So let's do it like this. We're gonna go ahead and open up rectangle labels. All right, so like I said, I pretty much know, my labels. So right here, where it says return address labels, and then you got template $51.95. So that's exactly the one that we're going to click, and then it gives you the option to let us print for you or start your design. So once you click start your design, it brings you up to all the freaking designs that they have. Like, they have so many designs that they kind of created. And don't get me wrong, if some of the colors or the designs on here kind of fit your brand, you can use what they do, tweak it and put your stuff on it. However, I don't do that. I start from blank. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click that first box all the way to your left, and you want to click select. So it's going to take you to a page like this, and at the top, as you can see, it says customize, and it says fit, and then full. So you don't have to too much worry about that per se. That's kind of like it's just asking you like the size of how you want the label to be, like, in your face right now. So you don't have to do all of that. So what I'm gonna do is you're going to select image. So you can select from the Avery gallery. I don't think anybody wants those. You can select from Instagram, everywhere. Okay, babe, so it gives you the option, like I said, to add your image. So I'm gonna just choose from camera roll, and then I'm gonna go ahead, click recent, done, and then boom. Right when you do that, your logo shows, your logo pops up, and then literally in that bottom corner, you can adjust the size. So you don't have to worry about where it says warning, because I'm gonna show you guys why I say that. But literally, you see how I'm positioning that made by REJ Cosmetics, like in the center area? You do the same exact thing. You can also add like little words, or like how much the tube is, and like different things like that. You can put ingredients and everything. You would just need like a bigger, bigger sticker. But as far as like just putting the actual design on there, that's good. So all right, I kind of want to do this, so I'll just put this here. And you have to keep in mind how the stickers are gonna lay on your actual tube. So mine's kind of go up like that. So you just get the picture on why I actually, you know, just leave it going this way. So kind of horizontal. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to add the text block. So all right, I got my text, and I wanted to say that my tubes, why won't it let me click? Okay, so all I had to do was click it. Look, sometimes I done made these little, you know, I done made this sticker so long ago. Okay, so I'm gonna put 7 ml, and now I added it. So right here I'm gonna rotate it because this is exactly how it's gonna look on my tubes. Hold on, if I could just get this right. You gotta make sure you're tedious because these are gonna be on your tube. So you kind of want to make sure that it's looking pretty good. Oops. Okay. Okay, so some people, they'll add like moisturizing gloss or hydrating gloss or anything like that. You can do that too, but I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it plain and simple. All right, so now what we're gonna do is go ahead and view it. That's how it's gonna look. And I'll go to project, and then boom, here go your labels. So here, if you did have like some clear film or whatever at home, you could print it out yourself, but I don't have that personally, so I take it and I let Avery print it, and it'll come in like 2 days maybe. So yeah, save your design and let it load, let it load, let it load. All right, boom. So I approve. If this thing will hurry up. So boom. So now it just lets you select your quantity and everything like that. I'm gonna go to 192, and you guys want to make sure you click clear film and then proceed to checkout. Boom, you can pay with PayPal, everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So the labels are like so high quality. This is how they look. They're very, very high quality, seriously. So I definitely think you guys should get them from Avery so that you can have nice labels like this. Pretty much it on making custom lip gloss labels. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any more questions or anything, you know, related to entrepreneurial videos or anything like that, feel free to drop down in the comment section. Anything that you guys want to see, like, just let me know, because I'm here for you guys and I want to see everybody win. So just let me know in the comment section below. I love you guys and I can't wait to see you in the next video.